Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, we are going to learn about switch case. So, see how it works. Let me show you a quick example. So let's say we have this order status and see we got message. Well, so we created the script using switch case function. Switch case. So how it works. So let me rerun this. So see, we got the message for cancel. Order is cancelled. Okay, for order being processed and this kind of stuff we are seeing it. So let me show you how you can create. First, click on extension. Let me quickly delete all of this. We call this function switch case. Okay, so for now we have to define a variable sheet spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet. Get active sheet. We use another variable, we call this data. We want to get the ranges. So first sheet dot get range. So it would be from B2 to B7 dot get values. Remember, we have to use values. Now we'll use a for loop. So use for I is equal to 0 is should be less than data dot length Okay, here first we use a variable and we define status. Status would be data. Okay, now use variable message. So default message would be empty, and now use switch. Status and use case. If it's pending, message would be order is being processed. So after this we have to break this break. After this we call another case. So case would be message would be order is has been shipped. And now we have to use we have to set this also, right? For this we use sheet dot get range plus for second row and third column is this set value message. So let's test this. See, it's working. So we'll set up for delivered and cancel also. So after this is another case. Message would be order delivered. Let me break this and use another function, another case, and that would be for cancelled message was cancelled. So let's run this. See, so this is how we got messages based on order status. So this is how you can use switch function. So this is how you can implement switch and case in to app script, and this is real life example. So let me do it again. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this will help you to keep following this series.